not museum. A lot of weird stuff here, but oh my god, that scares me.
The sounds.
Here, Dana from the other side. Okay, let's see what the other side is. This one is got like a distorted mirror. Oh, this one is like got spooky sound here. When you go in here, look all those pictures here. It looks spooky. Like they look normal. Nice art. Here's a throne of love. You need to put $1 and they will see which one is, you know, when it said red, it said hot stuff there. It's a nice art. Look at that one. Genuine shrunken here. Sound sister sitting here. Got here big coffin. Look at this one here.
He soon accepted a promotional tour with a shoe company for 800 appearances. Most importantly, they made his giant shoes. As he toured, he worried about being seen as a freak or sideshow act. But people loved him. He became a celebrity.
It's the tallest man.
His shoe size was now a 39 AA.
Madlow.
And his height.
This one is Walter Hudson, 1,400 pound man.
2 boxes of sausage.
He quickly started showing up in the media more in the shoe company for 800 appearances. Most importantly,
Made him not gain weight for most of his life.
Oh, the skeleton dude.
from the braces he used for walking.
He is.
It's a lizard man.
Yeah. He's cut off some of his finger. Yeah.
Got this guy here, he put the snake in his nose and then come out his mouth. Then his eyes pop.
He wants to be trans.
This one, believe it or not, Ripley, St. Augustine, Florida. It's China. Look at this, his teeth. He's a crocodile man here. That's the the old man, the human flag. You can see the human flag here. Oh, here you go. They shows the most amazing people, world's amazing people. Let's see what face I have. Oh my goodness, I got the mask. Wow,
It tells you what face you're gonna have.
Cuban sister mask.
It does look kind of funny when you got a Buddha mask.
Oh, they know. Oh, there you go.
Buddha mask.
They know.
I got the cool mask.
What mask mommy got? I got cool mask. Let's see.
My hat is covering my head, so yeah. Someone can't get it up there.
Victoria, good night. I'll probably be sick. Here we go.
Okay, let's see here. Oh my goodness. You think you're spinning? Are you spinning? Huh? Let's see if I can do it.
Totally fine in here. Okay, Mom. You feel like you're falling over.
Huh?
Take your phone. I accidentally turned it on halfway through.
Oh my goodness, this one. Oh my god. I feel like I'm spinning in here. Oh, this is really good. This one really make you feel dizzy. Huh?